Now class ninth, we had done this much part, the explanation of this much part. Now commercial, actually I had already done so much of things here, you might have been confused. See, commercial activities are divided into two parts. Number one, trade, and aids to trade. Trade we had done. Now the turn arises for aids to trade. Okay, see now class ninth, aids to trade. What is the meaning of aids to trade? First of all, let me tell you the meaning of the word aids. Okay, the meaning of the word aids is help, or in a more good English it is assistance. Okay, the meaning of the word help, the meaning of the word aids means help or say assistance. Okay, and one more word you can use is accommodation. Okay, accommodation. Okay, but you can take the meaning, you can take these two words only. Okay, accommodation, it is a bit technical word, but do remember that these are the same common words only. Okay, and trade, what is the meaning of the trade? I already told you, that is buying and selling of the goods and services for money. Okay, now as I told you, aids matlab help. Trade means buying and selling of goods and services. Now you only just add the meaning of the word this much. Aids to trade. What is the meaning of aids to trade there? ट्रेड को हेल्प करने वाली कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज है? ट्रेड को हेल्प करने वाली कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज? इन एड्स टू ट्रेड वी विल स्टडी दैट ऐसी कई एक्टिविटीज़ हैं क्लास नाइन्थ, ऐसे कई फंक्शंस हैं क्लास नाइन्थ विच मेक ट्रेड मोर इजी, जो ट्रेड को हेल्प करती है क्लास नाइन्थ इस ट्रेड को और इजी बनाने के लिए. फॉर हुम? फॉर बिजनेसमैन. फॉर हुम? फॉर बिजनेसमैन. आई रिपीट अगेन, देयर आर मेनी फंक्शंस, देयर आर मेनी एक्टिविटीज़ जो बिजनेसमैन को हेल्प करती है, जिससे कि ये जो ट्रेड सिस्टम है, दैट इज बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फॉर मनी, ये और इजी हो. ट्रेड को हेल्प करती है, हेल्प, जिससे कि ट्रेड और इजी हो, ट्रेड वाला जो सिस्टम है वो और इजी हो. नाउ क्वेश्चन राइजेस, व्हाट आर दोज एक्टिविटीज? आर नंबर वन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, नंबर टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, नंबर थ्री बैंकिंग, नंबर फोर वेयर हाउसिंग, नंबर 5 advertising, and number 6 is insurance. Transportation, distribution, banking, warehousing, advertising and insurance. See, ये कई ऐसे functions हैं. These are the functions class 9 which help trade to become more smoother and easy. ट्रेड को और आसान बनाती है, ट्रेड सिस्टम को और आसान बनाती हैं ये फंक्शंस. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, यू ऑल नो, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से ट्रेड सिस्टम और इजी हुआ. डायरेक्टली प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टली मूवमेंट ऑफ द गुड्स फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसर टू होलसेलर, होलसेलर टू रिटेलर, रिटेलर टू अल्टीमेट कस्टमर. दिस इज पॉसिबल ओनली विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. मूवमेंट को बहुत स्मूथ बनाया किसने? ट्रेड, किसने? एड्स टू ट्रेड के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फंक्शन ने. Okay, movement of the goods and services became more easy with the help of transportation function of aids to trade. Second, distribution. As I told you right now, this distribution, this is only known as distribution, that is movement of the goods from producer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to ultimate consumer. This distribution has become more smooth and easy with the help of distribution function of aids to trade. Banking, banking is providing continuous financial help. पैसा कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? इज बैंक. ओके, सो विदाउट मनी वी कैनॉट प्रोड्यूस एनीथिंग एंड वी कैनॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एनीथिंग among our customers. Okay, so bank, what bank is doing? Bank is providing reckless financial help. Warehousing, warehousing class 9, warehousing means storage. warehousing means storage, जहाँ पे हम चीज़ें रखते हैं is known as storage. So you also know कि godowns and storage functions से trade और smooth हुआ है. That is, we can store goods, we can store our commodities for long run until unless it will not be demand. On demand only goods are being transferred, class 9th. On demand only. Until unless demand will not come, the goods are being stored in the warehouse. Advertising, you all know what is advertising means. Promotion of goods is possible with the help of advertising. And what advertising is doing, advertising inform कर रहा है, knowledge बढ़ा रहा है, हमें inform कराएगा, हमें means customers को. Advertising is imparting knowledge about the new product, about the modification word का मतलब है change, about the change in the existing product or about new products, new technologies, everything. That updation advertising is only doing. And last one is insurance. Insurance means, as you all know that goods और commodities जो हैं वो काफ़ी expensive होते हैं. Okay, so these goods and commodities are needed to be insured so that उसका compensation हमको मिल सके. Is that clear? So this much for aids to trade. This much for today, class 9th. I had given the whole explanation of this diagram, that is business activities. This much for today, class 9th. Lastly, stay home, stay safe.